Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these cute Scrappy hang tags for your junk journals. So I'm going to show you the completed ones and then we will start the tutorial. This is Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. I hope you guys are having a great day. And then these are on both sides here. And what I use for these, you could use any size, but I have these larger sized hang tags, price tags, or garage sale tags, some people call them, but they're sales tags. And I've just layered them and put some lace in between. So you could hang these on the page in a journal or on the cover or on an ephemera piece, and then you can use them just as they are, or you can cut some of the lace off and use that throughout your journal and you'd still have a cute little hang tag, or you could take the string off and use it as a little tuck spot. On the back you could add a little piece of scrap paper and make a little journal spot. So there's lots of ways that you can use these, and I'll go through the materials that I use to make these. And yeah, these are really fun. So I thought I'd hop on here and give you guys a tutorial. So here are the tags, unfinished of course, and they just come in a box. I got these at Walmart. And then I have a little bit of bling here that I got at the Dollar Tree. Comes in a package like this. And then I have scrap pieces of lace. I have some stays on ink and a word stamp or a script stamp of some sort, whatever you want to use for the background. And then I have vintage postage stamps or other kinds of stamps. Some are vintage, some are not. So I have those, and you're going to need a pair of scissors to cut the string off of the hang tag, and then you want to save that because we are going to use it. So I have already done the two little sections here and put the script on there and glued down a postage stamp just so that we can move along here. I figured you guys know how to stamp, so we'll just do that. And I'm using Fabri-Tac glue. So the first thing I want to do is, a lot of times we have this lace that's been gathered here. So what I like to do is cut that off, because that way you can use it as a flat piece of lace. So I'm just going to cut this off real quick here. And you can tie that in a little bow and use it somewhere else. That's how I like to do it. So now we have a flat piece of lace, and the idea is I'm just going to layer these pieces of lace up like this, and then we're going to glue that to the sales tag. So the way we're going to do this is I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac, and I start out up here. This has 3 little curves on each side, so I just glue at the top, and I do use a lot of glue on this because I want them to stay secure, and I want the pieces to stay together. So now you're going to build this backwards because you want to have the longer piece on the back side. And so the smaller piece, as we build here, you're just going to lay that down. Then I'll lay the next piece kind of right in here. And then this piece I will lay up here, and you can let it hang off the side if you want, so you kind of decide how that goes. And then you'll want to straighten things up a little bit. Fabri-Tac gives you a little bit of time to work, but I found that that's the best glue anytime I'm using fabric or lace. I use Fabri-Tac for everything, actually, pretty much everything. And then we're going to come up here. Oops, got the wrong one. We're going to grab this side, and I'm just going to glue this up like this. Again, I'm being very generous. You want to miss that hole, but you want to get all the way around that. And then I'm just going to pick this piece up and line it up with the other one. Now these are not perfect, I have found. Although they were machine cut, they are not perfect. So you just kind of get that where you want it. And then as far as the bling, we're just going to cut a little piece off. I kind of want that to go along there. So you kind of figure out what kind you want. I think I do want to have right in here. And I just cut around these, section that off so that I have just that piece and I'm not dealing with the whole piece of it. And this is pretty good stick on there, or glue that's already on there, so I don't glue those down anymore. I've never had them come up once I secure them down. So there we have it. And then we're going to grab, if I can find it over here, I think, well, I can't find the piece that I was supposed to save. I think I threw it away. So we'll just cut another one off here so I can show you how I did that. So when you cut the string off of here, I just save this, except in this case I didn't, but you'll have extras because there's 2 tags and you only need 1 string, or you could use 2, I guess. But I just string that back through there and then bring it up and tie it, and we are done. So simple, so cute. Like this. And then I just scoop that knot up like that. And there we have our finished piece. So I do have these bags that I made. I'll link the video in the description box. I have these tracing paper bags that I made, and I thought these would be cute to include in those in upcoming offerings in my shop. So you can check out all the things in my shop at Yvette's Junk Journal Shop on Ko-fi. And again, I'll link the description box on how I made those wax paper or tracing paper bags. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't. And I hope you enjoyed watching how we made these scrappy, happy hang tags. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.